2023 finalists, together with Miss Iloilo 2025 finalists. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Mr. Michael Casible and Fran Eunice Gonzalez Aguacino. Thank you so much for inviting us tonight, and I love the energy of people of Halimaan East.
Yes, and also one confidence our beautiful
That's right, and tonight you will see our 7 youth ambassadors competing in their casual wear, talent, long gown, interview, and play suit category.
Before we jump off, let's have first our awarding of special awards.
First special award is People's Choice Award. The winner will receive a sash and a cash. To be awarded by Honorable Kate Dente Artilio, SK Chairperson. Ladies and gentlemen, our People's Choice is candidate number 6. To be awarded by Honorable Shani Tano, SK Chairperson of Halimaan East. And our pageant vote PH Choice is candidate number 5.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our first set of special awards.
Thank you so much, ladies. You may prepare on your next category.